This is the first time the trunk's been closed in years on the Accord. Alright, well, I'm eating my words from when I said I'd run Mobile One high mileage religiously. I switched to Castrol for her car because it burns oil, and Castrol jugs have marks every half quart. I'm still measuring quarts on this for another story being my Impreza that's having EGR flow issues, and I was running Mobile One high mileage in that, and I'm wondering if the additive in that has plugged up the EGR. So I'm running the Emilee in that. This does specify Hondas on the jug, and I only like to just buy 5 quarts at a time. And what sucks about Lucas, because we're going to run half a quart of Lucas and I don't want to run anymore. There's no way to tell what half is. Actually, good practice to shake this first. You know what, I'm gonna move this to something that's actually level. Cool. So I round her oil capacity up to 4.5 quarts. And Lucas is just so thick, even though this is pure synthetic, and it's what does it say, light enough for an import, tough enough for a diesel, but just how it pours out of the bottle, how thick it is. I don't want to run more than half a quart in her car because it takes 0.20. Alright, well, of course what's nice about her car is the oil filter isn't upside down like my Subaru, so I can actually prime the oil filter. Yeah, that's probably a good place to do this. You get the idea. So this is what sucks about these, is this one wants to overflow. Like it's too shallow and wants to overflow. So this pan, but this pan doesn't pour out well. It pours out terribly. Well, I thought I'd introduce you guys to Emilee's Daily. We named her Carolyn because she's the successor to her last CRV, which was just called Carol. That one was a 2000. I think had 220 some thousand when they got rid of it. And then she bought this 2011, had 161 on it, and I'm out of oil change stickers, so I'm going to use this as evidence so I can't forget what to write the next sticker for. But it's sitting at a cool 242. This thing's been stupid reliable. I didn't want a video of it starting after the oil change because it needs the VTEC cam actuator, and that's pretty loud and obnoxious, and I got to get around to that and hopefully not do that outside. Maybe I can borrow a buddy's garage for a weekend, in case I end up using Honda Bond instead of just like quick setting RTV, because you have to take the there's a cover that goes over the chain tensioner. You got to take that off so you can lock the tensioner from tensioning it, so you can get enough slack in the chain to pull both the cam sprockets. But other than that, I mean, it's just a basic 3rd gen CRV with a lot of miles on it. Engine light's off right now. It's been teetering on throwing a cat code. The TPMS module, I'm pretty sure it's bad, because every time I check all the sensors, they'd all be good and they'd still throw the service light on. And I put a JVC radio in there. It is an Apple CarPlay radio, but we don't have a phone hooked up to it. And that's it.